Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in the video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you're in Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine is in Backgrounds. Drag and drop abstract background number 20. I will go inside the custom nodes and get my media out. Connect to the media out. Range tools to the grid and press number 2 on the keyboard. Wait few seconds to render, and the abstract background is here. Ungroup. Just like this. Take one merge here for the background if you wish. Do like this, and use the background, some random background, something like this, and animation is done, is finished. It will animate animation is done here. When you go inside the spline tool, you will see that animation is looping. You don't need to do anything. Now if you want to change the shape, you go inside the rectangle and just adjust the height with how you want it. This background is resolution 20 by 20. You can increase or decrease, it's up to you. And next one, you have a duplicate. You can duplicate, but make sure that you have even number of these dots, and this is it. Very simple. If you want to add one more, of course you can. You just adjust this in this merge here. You can you see, increase the size or decrease, it's up to you. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.